like McDonald's. There's another one. I think there's 3 series. I'm not sure which one this is, but let's get started.
I think this one's not it. Yeah.
Oh. Hold on, show them.
Look.
So this is what you get.
And I think this
See,
is
unicorn food, surprise scent, unicorn shimmer,
Mommy,
and
I can't see.
come over here, show them what you got.
So I got what?
That one, it says it right here. This is unicorn food.
Unicorn food.
So there's 2 unicorn food. That one and this one. So let's take it all out.
So can we make a big one?
We'll see. Okay, so first we have to open the cup. Is this the cup?
Feel it.
No, I think this is the cup.
No, there's 2 cups.
That feels different. But you could open it. It might be the cup. And then...
Oh. I'll get the scissors.
No, it's okay. Here. What did we get? Yes! It's my favorite cookies! Look, show the vlog. It's like Chips Ahoy. But it's called Poops Away. That's so cute and funny.
What?
I guess that's where you keep your slime when you're done making it. So this would be the cup. I think. Here, you open this one.
There, I got it.
Maybe we do need the scissors.
So we got this spoon. Orange. How about this?
It's goldenish. Here, baby. Okay. So we need to put the unicorn food, one of the unicorn foods, in this cup.
But I'm gonna put 2. I want this one. I want this one.
Yeah, we could. So let's open this. This is, I believe it's gonna be like our cup. And Maya wants to do 2 packets, right?
Like all of these to make a bigger one.
We'll see if it works. Here you go. Squeeze it out.
You know what?
That's like a yellow with something in it.
Guys, this is the next one. I'm doing it next.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Oh.
What color is it? Oh, this one's a blue. Do you know what if you mix yellow and blue, do you know what it makes?
No.
Well, we're gonna find out. Do you guys know what it makes?
Comment down below if you know what it makes.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Okay, so for this one, we're going back to this one now. You're gonna mix this black unicorn. This is the other unicorn food. Oh, it's the activator. So then the spoon.
But I wanted to use that.
We are, but you have to make the slime first and then you do everything else. Okay, can I do the blue one?
Yeah.
And then we'll mix it together. So let's put the activator on the blue one. I'm gonna borrow your spoon, okay?
Could I do the blue one? Let's switch.
There you go. Well, with this one you can start adding, it's very, we might need more activator.
Okay, I need more activator.
Yeah, see? We need more activator. Okay, it's time to mix both colors and let's see what color we get. You ready?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, go. Do you want to take a guess?
No.
Come on! What color do you think it's going to be? Guess.
Green. What do you guess?
I guess green too.
No.
Like your shirt.
But
Okay, I'll guess purple. What color is it making? Okay, now you gotta mix it.
Okay. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm dipping dough. I got it.
It's okay, you're getting more in your lip, look. Fabulous.
It's one of your favorites.
What is it? It's a cookie.
So, guys, we got this keychain. It's really cute. It's a cookie. A cookie. I did it.
You opened it? Ugh.
This is Ogres, guys. This is from somebody's nose.
Stop.